Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make a trifle. Since it's over 100 degrees outside, I wanted to make a cool and light dessert. A trifle can be made with angel food cake, pound cake, or ladyfingers. There was no way I was turning the oven on in this heat, so I'm using ladyfingers for this trifle. If you want to make any of my pound cakes, I'll put the links below the video. All the ingredients and measurements are also below the video. We'll need fresh strawberries and blueberries. Set a few of each aside to decorate the top of the trifle. Heavy whipping cream and powdered sugar. For the pudding, whole milk, cornstarch, sugar, salt, and vanilla extract. The ladyfingers, of course. They're crunchy with sugar on top and get soft as the trifle chills in the fridge. It's a perfect substitute for cake when you don't want to bake. To add some flavor to the ladyfingers, I'm using raspberry preserves. You can use another preserve, a fruit liqueur like this cherry Kirschwasser, or a simple sugar syrup. Just equal parts sugar and water, heated up and cooled. This is great to have in the fridge, especially in the summer for lemonades, iced teas, and other drinks. First, we'll make the easy pudding. Place the sugar, cornstarch, and salt in a pot. Whisk well to combine. Add some of the milk and whisk until smooth. Add the rest of the milk and whisk to combine. Cook this on medium heat, stirring constantly for about 4 minutes until thick and simmering. Then turn the heat down to low and cook it for another minute. Make sure to stir constantly. Remove the pot from the stovetop and mix in vanilla extract. Pour the pudding into a bowl and press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the pudding so a skin doesn't form. If you don't mind the skin, just cover the bowl. Refrigerate this until cold, a few hours or overnight. To assemble, wash the blueberries and set them on a towel-lined sheet tray. Dry the berries as best as you can. Remove the stems. Wash the strawberries and dry them gently with a towel. You don't want any water in the trifle. Hull the strawberries. For a neater appearance, sort them by size. Cut them in half. If they're wide, cut them into 3 pieces. Pour cold, heavy cream into a mixer. Add powdered sugar. Whip to soft peaks. Add vanilla extract and whip to stiff peaks. Remove some of the whipped cream and refrigerate. Fold the remaining whipped cream into the chilled pudding. I don't want to use another bowl, so I just made some space in the middle here to pour the pudding. Refrigerate until ready to assemble the trifle. Put the preserves in a bowl and mix it well to loosen it up a little bit. To assemble, cut the ladyfingers to fit. I'm just going to cut these in half because they're long. I've seen short ones and long ones, so just cut them according to whatever fits depending on which size you get. Place the ladyfingers in a single layer in the dish. Cut them into smaller pieces to fit any gaps. Spread half of the preserves on top. Spread a thin layer of the pudding mixture. Line the strawberries neatly along the side of the dish with the pointy side up. Put the larger berries on this bottom layer. To fill up the space in the middle, add some more strawberries. Arrange the blueberries on top. Spread a layer of the pudding mixture, about half of the remaining amount. If you're taking your time to make the trifle look perfect, make sure to put the pudding mixture in the fridge while assembling and layering, and just take it out when you need it. Especially during these extremely hot days, it's best to have all the ingredients very cold. Repeat with the ladyfingers, preserves, thin layer of pudding, strawberries, and blueberries. Spread the remaining pudding mixture on top. Put the whipped cream in the center and decorate with strawberries, blueberries, and a sprig of mint if you like. If you have any leftover pudding or whipped cream, you can use it to make an individual sized dessert. Chill this for at least 4 hours or overnight. This trifle serves about 10 to 12 people. If you want to make multiple trifles, if you have a large party, it's very easy to double the recipe. There's a lot of fruit in this trifle to balance out the whipped cream and the pudding. It's a really nice dessert to feed a crowd. I hope you guys like this recipe and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.